My name is Judy Manalo, BSTM1A. So, what is ethics? In the word itself, ethics is that science which is concerned with moral behavior. Ano nga ba ang ethics? Ethics is the philosophical study of moral phenomena, also called moral philosophy. Ang ethics ay nanggaling sa Greek word na ethos. Meron pong major types ang ethics. Meta-ethics, descriptive in nature and origin of moral facts. Normative ethics, attempts to develop guidelines or theories human ought to do. Self-serving motives, accidental occurrence, custom, and feelings impulses. Sa mundo ng etika, this is ethics scope, social, economic, political logic, right thinking, ethics and psychological study of human nature. Ethics and economics, ethics and educations, morality and law. So, ethics studies morality, right, good, wrong, bad.